if you want to smoke the best flavor very smoothly. The technique of hand rolling is crucial. What I'm going to say below is all unsearchable on the whole internet, and it's all the valuable experience I've summarized. Even if you think you're already a hand rolling veteran, this tutorial will be very rewarding. Let me start by saying, since you chose Loong Shell, you can buy more expensive and better tobaccos. Stop buying cheap ones. Loong Shell is very tobacco saving. With Loong Shell your life will change. You can smoke Cuban cigars every day with Loong Shell. The following hand rolling tutorial is suitable for all tobaccos including cigars and pipe tobaccos. The filter is 8 mm. Cigarette roller is also 8 mm. The length of the cigarette roller is 78 mm. Because standard cigarettes are the most standardized in the world. The diameter of a standard cigarette is about 7.8 mm and the length is about 83 mm. The most similar cigarette roller we can buy is this that are 8 mm in diameter and 78 mm in length. Anyway, it has to be close to the size of this standard cigarette. Because when I designed the Loong Shell, I wanted it to be universal. First of all, push this moving pole down. See that? There's a slide here. We put it down, which is to open up the cigarette roller open. Then put the filter in. I like to press the filter with my finger. Then fill it with tobacco. Here are the tips for loading tobacco for the Loong Shell. Point 1. Use a short filter. A short filter increases the suction resistance and enhances the flavor. Next to the filter, the tobacco must be filled with a little more. Don't overfill the rest of the area. One more thing. Compressed pipe tobacco must be crushed first. Let's put this moving pole on first. Put it up. Then rotate a little. Just rotate a little, not too much. At this time, the cigarette roller must have a slit, and it's going to pop open automatically after you press your hand down. And when we rotate it, it is very easy with almost no resistance. That's the best. Then pull out this paper.
Suggest to use slow burn paper.
See, there's a shiny strip over here. That's the glue. This glue, when it comes into contact with water or saliva, it becomes very sticky. Now it is not sticky, and when it encounters water, it becomes sticky. It's only on this side. And turn the side of the paper toward me. The moving pole is also facing my side. Okay, insert this paper in. Once inserted, roll it by hand. At this time, you must remember one thing: pinch. This side should also be pinched, and the paper should be clamped tightly. Pinch and rotate at the same time. When only a little bit of paper is exposed, dip it with some water. After dipped water, rotate a little more. Just rotate a little bit, just wrap the paper around the tobacco completely, don't keep rolling it. Don't roll too many circles, because the longer it is rolled, the tighter the cigarette becomes, tighter and tighter. If it is rolled too tightly, the suction resistance of the cigarette will become very large, so we rotate it a little bit to wrap the tobacco. After taking it out, we can see that the part next to the filter is relatively hard. The other parts are soft and elastic. If the part away from the filter is not soft enough, we squeeze it with our hand and adjust it to make it soft. So that a cigarette is ready. Very round. The overall diameter is uniform. Finally, tidy up the ends of the cigarette so that it doesn't collide with the parts inside the Loong Shell when you put it in. This way you will be able to smoke out the best flavor and the prettiest ash.